In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Gantt charts in ClickUp, a powerful project management tool that's become incredibly popular for visualizing and managing complex timelines. Gantt charts are fantastic for seeing the big picture, tracking progress, and ensuring everyone's on the same page with deadlines. If you're struggling to keep track of your projects or need a clear way to represent how tasks fit together, then this tutorial is exactly what you need. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to sign into your ClickUp account. You can do this by going to clickup.com in your web browser or by opening the ClickUp mobile app, whichever you're most comfortable using. Make sure you're logged in to the ClickUp workspace where your project lives. It's crucial to be in the correct workspace to access the right tasks and data. Next, open the space, folder, or list within ClickUp that contains the project you're working on. ClickUp's structure is all about organization, so starting with the right level of detail is key. Think about where your tasks are currently organized. Is it in a specific folder or maybe within a particular list? Navigate to that location. It's the foundation for visualizing your project schedule. Now, if a Gantt view hasn't already been created for that space, folder, or list, you'll need to create it. Simply click the plus button next to View. It's usually located near the top right of the screen. This will pop up a menu of available views including Gantt. Click Gantt and ClickUp will automatically generate a Gantt chart based on the tasks in that view. You might be prompted to name the view. This is a good opportunity to give it a descriptive name like Project Alpha Timeline, or something that clearly reflects the project it represents. Naming your views makes it much easier to manage multiple projects within ClickUp. You'll be able to quickly identify the Gantt chart related to the specific task you're working on. Once you've named it, click Add View. Alright, you're now looking at the Gantt timeline. Take a moment to review it. You'll see each task represented by a horizontal bar stretching across the timeline. The length of the bar represents the duration of the task. This visual representation makes it incredibly easy to understand the project's overall schedule at a glance. You'll see that many tasks already have start dates and due dates associated with them, which is essential for effective planning. Now let's adjust the schedule. You can drag the task bars left or right to shift the start dates of the tasks. This is where the real power of the Gantt chart comes into play. You can easily adjust timelines as needed. Remember that moving a task's start date will automatically adjust the dates of any dependent tasks, so pay close attention to those connections. You can also resize the taskbars to change the duration of each task. Simply click and drag the edge of the bar to expand or contract it. This allows you to accurately reflect the estimated effort required for each activity. It's important to regularly review and update task durations as you gain more information. A key best practice here is to discuss estimated durations with your team. Collaboration ensures more accurate planning. One of the most powerful features of ClickUp's Gantt chart is the ability to create dependencies between tasks. To do this, click on a taskbar and you'll see a small handle. It often looks like a chain link. Drag this handle to another taskbar, and ClickUp will automatically create a dependency, indicating that one task cannot start until the other is complete. Review the dependency lines connecting all tasks to ensure your dependencies are correctly set. To zoom in or out and view different timeline ranges, use your mouse wheel or use the zoom buttons on the screen. This allows you to focus on specific periods of the project or see the broader overall timeline. Sometimes you'll want to focus on a narrow time frame, while other times it's essential to see the bigger picture. You can also use filters to display specific tasks or team members. For instance, you could filter to show only tasks assigned to a particular person, or tasks with a specific status. This allows for granular control and targeted monitoring. Group tasks by status, assignee, or priority if needed. The more you configure the filters, the more focused your view becomes. This is crucial for managing larger projects. Throughout the project lifecycle, it's vitally important to monitor project milestones and deadlines. The Gantt chart provides a visual representation of these key dates, helping you identify potential delays or roadblocks early on. Identify schedule conflicts or bottlenecks as soon as they appear. Catching them early can save you significant time and effort. Remember, timelines can change. Adjust timelines when project requirements change and always communicate those changes to your team. Moreover, review critical tasks regularly. A quick weekly check-in can prevent major issues from escalating. Finally, you can share the Gantt view with stakeholders if necessary, fostering transparency and ensuring everyone is aligned. As work progresses, update task statuses within the Gantt chart to keep the timeline accurate and reflect the current state of the project. Refresh the Gantt chart to ensure information is current, especially after updates. You have successfully used Gantt view in ClickUp. Now to recap, you've learned how to create, navigate, and manipulate a Gantt chart to visualize and manage your project timeline. By clearly monitoring the timeline, you can identify issues and keep your project on track, ultimately ensuring timely and successful completion. To help you continue building your ClickUp skills, I recommend experimenting with creating your own custom filters and exploring the reporting features within the Gantt view. Save this video for future reference or revisit these steps whenever you need to update your project schedule. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more ClickUp tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.